Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure your HP 14 laptop is powered off and unplugged from the power source. You will need a few essential tools for this extraction, including a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you avoid any damage to the components during the process. Start by flipping the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the back cover. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble your laptop. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could break the clips holding the cover in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check to ensure all screws have been removed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the hard drive, which is typically housed in a metal bracket. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. A quick internal cleaning can help maintain your laptop's performance. If you find any buildup, use compressed air to blow it out gently. Next, you will need to unscrew the bracket holding the hard drive in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the hard drive out of its slot. Be careful not to tug on the cables connected to the hard drive, a smooth, steady pull will do. If you are uncertain about the extraction process or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians are well equipped to handle such tasks, ensuring your device is in safe hands. Now, with the hard drive free, check the connectors at the end of the drive. If you plan to replace the drive, ensure you have the correct specifications for your new hard drive. If you need assistance in selecting the right one, we can provide a quote before repair, helping you make an informed decision. If you don't have the tools at home or prefer not to handle this yourself, consider our pickup and delivery service. We can collect your laptop from your home, carry out the necessary repairs, and return it to you without the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. After you have successfully extracted the hard drive, it's crucial to handle it with care. Store it in an anti-static bag to protect it from electrostatic discharge. If you plan to replace it with a new drive, make sure to follow the same steps in reverse to install the new hard drive securely. Finally, once you have replaced or secured your hard drive, align the back panel correctly and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you initially removed, ensuring the back cover is secured tightly to prevent any internal components from being exposed. Always remember, if you have any doubts or find the process daunting, our services are just a call away. We ensure no calls, no travel for your convenience. Your laptop's health is our priority, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.